Today we will see how flower pot, fuse and cracker bombs are made. First, the cone-shaped cardboard is set into the mould. After that, the cardboard is filled with gunpowder. Now it is sealed with wet clay and paper. Here it is being covered with paper. Then it is packed in a box. Now we will see how the fuse is made. The thread is mixed with the gunpowder paste. Now it is dried and cut. Next, we will see how cracker bombs are made. First, the tubes are filled with the gunpowder paste. After that, the fuse is installed into the tubes. Now, the crackers are being sealed and dried. After that, labelling is done using glue and they are packed in a box. Contact us if you would like to feature your factory on Unbox Factory.